Hello, little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. Look what I have to play with. Ooh. It's round. It's shiny. Whoa. Whoop. Oh, that's loud. Huh? Huh? Oh, they are symbols. And I know. They are the shape of a circle. All that cymbal playing made me hungry. Oh, what's this? It's round. Is it a wheel? No. I know. You can eat it. It's a bagel. And it's a circle. Oh, look at this. It's round too. And you put food on it. It's a plate. And it's a circle too. It's a good circle. Time for more circles. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.